Go. How's a fishy go? Okay. How's a tiger go?
How's a tiger go? Nico. Nico. How's a tiger go? Tiger. That's a fish, goofball.
How's a tiger go? Tell mommy. Rawr. How's a fishy go?
Nico, move your tongue from left to right.
Okay, do a tiger now. Tiger. How's tiger go? Tiger, dude. Tiger. Tigers don't do that. How does the tiger go?
Where's my mom?
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yep. Good boy. Say bye-bye.